a distraction from all the delicious aromas coming from your kitchen? Let's get creative and draw our own dinner. Grab your art ingredients and keep watching for a step-by-step guide on how to make this delectable turkey. Start by finding an image of a small turkey and ingredients for reference. Begin at the top of the page and create the Thanksgiving banner, leaving the white of the page showing for the letters, stripes, and stars. Then right underneath, add a hand-lettered title. It's always a good idea to work from light to dark, so start with the lightest tones, then continue into the darker ones, and finish with the darkest spots. Now we'll work on the turkey. Start with the lightest shade of orange and fill in the turkey, starting with the drumstick. To add volume and depth, use a darker shade over your first layer while it's still wet. This will blend the two colors together and eliminate any hard lines. Then work with darker orange, brown, and burgundy markers to make it look perfectly roasted. Copy this process on the opposite leg, the back, and the breast. Sketch TwiMarkers are dual-tipped, lightweight, and incredibly versatile. You can use them for sketching, hand lettering, making detailed artwork, and even watercolor techniques. Discover our wide range of colors and see what you can create. Use the exclusive code in the description box below for 15% off your order. Next, draw the oranges and greenery before adding the blue platter. Use the darker shades to add shadows to the garnish and the platter. Shadows make things look grounded to a surface and add realism to the drawing. Work on the background. Start with the butter and, staying on the left side of the page, draw some of the other ingredients: the bay leaves, stalks of celery, orange slices, and a spoonful of caraway seeds. To prevent smudging, make sure your piece is completely dry or don't draw on the same side as your dominant hand. Once you finish one side, the other side will be dry, and then you can add your remaining ingredients. Let's add the finishing touches. Add little lines underneath each ingredient to create more movement. Finally, label each ingredient so the viewer knows exactly what went into making this traditional Thanksgiving turkey. There you go! Your turkey is finished and ready to serve. We hope you've enjoyed this guide and it inspires you to draw more recipes to share with family and friends. Don't forget to give this video a like and to subscribe for more fun and inspiring art-focused videos.